one bird. This is going to be about my journey to design and build a overlanding version of my new 2018 Wrangler JL Sport. I'm actually on my way right now to Southern Offroad in Alabama. They are going to be the ones to install my lift for me. I just purchased a Evo manufacturing 2.5-inch lift, the budget boost. That was what they recommended because it had the lower control arms. So it's the stage 2 kit. But I'm going to get the lift done and then install these Cooper Discoverer AT3 XLT tires. They're 315/70/17s with TrailMaster TM9 17x9s. It's the flat black version. And I've looked around on the internet a whole lot lately trying to find reviews, and on this particular tire I haven't been able to find any. So I'm going to try to do a review after I've had them on there for several thousand miles after going on my trip next year. My big trip next year is going to be in September. My dad and I are going to go from basically halfway through Tennessee along the Trans-America Trail all the way out to Oregon. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get the rooftop tent, so this first trip is going to be not as comfortable as I think it could be. But we're going to do it anyway because I don't have time to wait on just tons and tons of stuff, and I've already got this other equipment, so I thought, why not, let's just do it. So anyway, I'll be coming back with reviews on that. I've got a Warren winch I'll be doing a review on the JL in general, which I already love. I've had it since May, so a few months now. It's definitely my favorite Jeep I've ever owned. I've had 2 TJs. I skipped the JK altogether. So this is just an amazing vehicle compared. All right, so I hope you enjoy this. Hope I bring something that's worth watching, and I'll see you later.